Hey all, welcome or welcome back. So that was from the previous video I've posted 2 days back, Madhubani painting for basic characters in part 1. So today we are going to see the part 2 video. If you haven't watched the part 1, I'll link it in the description box. So welcome to the channel. So for this project I've taken A6 size drawing sheets, black pen and some poster colors for the background color. So today the first character is going to be the parrot. Birds like parrot, peacock and cuckoo are like quite famous in Madhubani painting. So as I said, double line border is like must in this painting, so don't forget to give double line border for any of the characters here. That's the finished look of sketch for this parrot. Now we'll paint with some green poster color for background. So that's the finished look of the first character for today's video. Now we'll move on to the second character, which I'm going to draw as fish. This pattern or design is quite famous because you would have seen this pattern in the ceilings of the temple. So that's the finished look for this pattern with the borders. Now we'll paint it with yellow color in the background. So now we'll move on to the third and final character, which is Surya or Sun. This pattern is also quite famous. As you can see, this pattern or column in festive times. that's the final look of our third character. So these are the 5 characters that I thought are most important in Madhubani painting. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till this point. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, hit the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.